If you often keep many tabs open in Google Chrome, vertical tabs can make browsing much easier and more organized. Instead of showing tabs across the top of the browser window, vertical tabs place them in a sidebar on the left or right side of the screen. This makes tab titles easier to read and helps reduce clutter, especially on larger monitors or while multitasking. While Chrome does not always include a built-in vertical tabs feature for every user, there are still very easy ways to get a vertical tab experience in 2026. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to use vertical tabs in Google Chrome, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, move your cursor to Extensions and click Visit Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store contains tools and extensions that can add extra features to your browser, including vertical tabs. In the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type Vertical Tabs. You will see several extensions designed to organize tabs into a vertical sidebar layout. Choose a trusted extension with good ratings and many users. Open the extension page and click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome may ask for permission before installing the extension. Click Add Extension to continue. After installation finishes, the extension icon will usually appear near the top right corner of Chrome, beside the address bar. Now click the extension icon to open the Vertical Tabs panel. Depending on the extension you installed, you may see all your open tabs listed vertically on the side of the browser window. This makes it much easier to read long tab names and switch between websites quickly. Many vertical tabs extensions also include useful features like tab search, tab grouping, pinned tabs, dark mode, and collapsible tab sections. You can usually customize the sidebar position and appearance through the extension settings page. If the vertical tab sidebar does not appear automatically, open the extension settings and enable the sidebar feature manually. Some extensions also require you to pin the extension to Chrome for faster access. Another useful tip is combining vertical tabs with Chrome tab groups. Right-click on a tab and select Add Tab to New Group. This helps organize related tabs together while still keeping the sidebar cleaner and easier to manage. You should also know that some Chromium-based browsers like Microsoft Edge already include built-in vertical tabs support. Chrome users usually rely on extensions because Google Chrome focuses mainly on the traditional top tab layout. If the extension causes lag or browser performance issues, try disabling unnecessary features inside the extension settings, or test a different vertical tabs extension from the Chrome Web Store. Always install trusted extensions only to avoid security or privacy problems. You should also keep Chrome updated because browser updates improve extension compatibility and overall performance. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. So that's the easiest way to use vertical tabs in Google Chrome in 2026. The main steps are installing a trusted vertical tabs extension, opening the sidebar, customizing the layout, and organizing tabs for easier browsing. Most users can improve tab management and productivity within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.